Hello students, student of class 8. Now today we will discuss chapter 14 factorization and exercise 14.2. Here there are two types of factorization are given. One is in the form of x square plus bx plus c, and other one is the ax square plus bx plus c. These two forms are given. Factorize the following. Question number 1, x square plus 5x plus 6. Question number 1, x square plus 5x plus 6. So how can we factorize? First we have to factor of 6. So factor of 6 is 2 3 are 6. So splitting the middle term, so we have to write x square plus 2 plus 3. 2 3 are 6, so 2 plus 3x plus 6. 2 3 are 6 or 2 plus 3 5. Then we have x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. We have to multiply by x in the bracket. Then taking common x in these two terms, x is common, so x plus 2. In these two terms, 3 is common, again x plus 2. Then x plus 2 is common, so x plus 2 and x plus 3. These are the factor of x square plus 5x plus 6. X square plus 5x plus 6. First we have to factorize the constant term, that is 6. So 2 3 are 6. So 2 plus 3 5. So write here 2 plus 3 in the place of 5. Then multiply by x. So 2x plus 3x plus 6. So x is common in first two terms, so x plus 2, and 3 is common in the last two terms. 3 is common and x plus 2. Then x plus 2 is common, so x plus 2 and x plus 3. So this type we have to factorize. Now take the c part. C part is y square minus 4y minus 12. Y square minus 4y minus 12. Factor of 12. 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12, and 3 2 ja 6, and 6 2 ja 12. 6 minus 2 4. So write here y square minus 6y plus 2y. 6 2 ja 12. So when we put minus 6 plus 2, it is equals to minus 4. So minus 6y plus 2y minus 12. Taking common y in the first two terms, y is common, y minus 6, and plus 2 is common, y minus 6. Then y minus 6 is common, so y minus 6 and y plus 2. So these are the factor of y square minus 4y minus 12. Then take the e part. E part is x square minus 17x plus 17, x square minus 17x plus 17. Factor of 17. 14 5 ja 17. 10 7 ja 17. 10 plus 7 17. So x square minus 10x minus 7x plus 17. Then x is common in the first two terms, so x is common, x minus 10, minus 7 is common, so x minus 10. Then we take minus 7, it becomes positive and it becomes negative. So right here, x minus 10, x minus 10, so x minus 10 is common and x minus 7. This is your answer. Then g part. G part is here, y square plus 8y minus 33, y square plus 8y minus 33. So factorize 33, 11 3 ja 33, and 11 minus 3, 8. So y square plus 11y minus 8y minus 3y and minus 33. Then y is common. So y common, y plus 11 minus 3 is common. So y plus 11. So factors are y plus 11 and y minus 3. Then the I, r square plus 9r plus 20, r square plus 9r plus 20. So factor of 20, 5 4 ja 20, 5 plus 4 9. So r square plus 5r plus 4r plus 20. Again taking common r in the first two terms, r common, r plus 5 and 4 is common, r plus 5. So r plus 5 is common, so r plus 5 and r plus 4. These are the factor of r square plus 9r plus 20. This time we have factorized. Solve question number 1. Now question number 2, remaining part you have to do by yourself. If any query, then ask. Question number 2, in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So 2x square plus 30x plus 52. Question number 2, part A, 2x square plus 30x plus 52. So factorize 52 to ja 104, factor of 104, 2 5 ja 2 2 ja 2 2 ja 2 6 ja 26 plus 4, 26 plus 4 30. So right here 2x square plus 26x plus 4x plus 52. 2 and 52 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप, कितना जाएगा 104. देन फैक्टर ऑफ 104, 26 4 जा 104, 26 plus 4. Take here 2x is common, so x plus 13 and here 4 is common, x plus 13. Then factor is x plus 13 is common, so x plus 13 and 2x plus 4. Taking 2 is common here. So 2 bracket x plus 13 and x plus 2. These are the factor of 2x square plus 13x plus 30x plus 52. Now the C part, minus 2x square minus 18x minus 40, minus 2x square minus 18x minus 40. Take minus 2 as common, so x square plus 9x plus 20. So minus 2, factor of 25 4 ja, so x square plus 4x plus 5x plus 20. So minus 2, x is common, x plus 4 and 5 is common, x plus 4. So minus 2, x plus 4 and x plus 5. This time we have factorized and solve the question number 2. Now the next part, take the E part, 2b cube minus 8b square plus 54b. 2b cube minus 8b square minus 8b square minus 154b. 2b is common, b square minus 4b, 2 7 ja minus 77. So 2b factor of 77 इधर हो जा, so b square minus 11b plus 4b minus 77. Then 2b, b is common, b minus 11 plus 4 is common, b minus 11. So factors are minus 2b bracket b minus 11 and b plus 4. These are the factors of 2b cube minus 8b square minus 24b. Now take the g part. G part is here given 4z cube minus 40z square, 4z cube minus 40z square plus 100z plus 100z. Take 4z is common, so z square minus 10z plus 25. 5 25, 5 plus 5 10. So 4z square minus 5z plus 25. 4z, z is common, z minus 5 minus 5 is common, z minus 5. So factors are 4z bracket z minus 5 and z minus 5. So these are the factors of g part. Take the I part of question number 2. All the questions are in process. We have to understand and factorize the questions. Minus 21 plus 10r minus r square. Minus 21 minus 10r plus r square. So write in the reverse order of this question. R square minus 10r minus 21. Factor of 21, that comes 10. 7 3 are 21, 7 plus 3 10. So r square minus 7r minus 3r minus 21 plus 10r plus 10r minus r square. Minus 21 plus 10r minus r square. So write here minus r square plus 10r minus 21. Take minus sign common. So r square minus 10r plus 21. So minus 7 3 21 minus 7r minus 3r plus 21. R is common, r minus 7 minus 3 is common, r minus 7. So factors are r minus 7 and r minus 3. If we multiply minus sign, so 7 minus r and r minus 3. So this time we have to factorize the remaining part of question number 2. I hope you have to understand. Now MCQs are given here. You have to choose the option. Correct option of the factorization. Question number 3, part A, 6x square minus 7x plus minus 3. 6x square minus 7x and minus 3. So in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, so multiply here, c is the 18. So 6x square factor of 9, 18 comes 9 to 18. So minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Take here common 3x, x 2x minus 3 and plus 1 is common 2x minus 3. So factors are 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. These are the factors of 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 1. Option 1 is correct. Now the B part, 4 4 is 16, 16 1 is 16, 16 minus 1, 15. And the C part, 9y square plus 18y plus 8, 9 8 is 72. Then 72 factor 24, 3 is 18, 6 is 12, 6 is 72, 12 plus 6, 18. Then factorize. Take the D part, take the C part. One of the factor is 9y square plus 18y plus 8. One factor is given, 3y plus 2, find the other factor. 9 8 is 72. So 9y square plus 12y plus 6y plus 8, 12 is 72. Taking common 3y, y plus 2, 3 3 is 9, 3y plus 4, and here 2 is common, 3y plus 4. So factors are 3y plus 2 and 3y plus 4. And one factor is given, so what is the other factor? So other factor is 3y plus 4. So other factor is 3y plus 4. That means second option is correct. Now the D part of question number 3. Minus 6x square plus 10x plus 24. Minus 6x square plus 10x plus 24. Take minus sign common, minus 2. So 3x square minus 5x minus 12. Then 12 3 is 36. And 9 4 is 36. 9 minus 4, 5. So minus 2. 3x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 12. So minus 2. 3x is common, x minus 3 plus 4 is common, x minus 3. So factors are 2 bracket 3x plus 4 and x minus 3. Option 3 is correct. Take the P part. Right here, descending order of power. 6m square minus 2m minus 20. 6m square minus 2m minus 20. 20 is 120. 26 is 120. Taking 2 is common. So 3m square minus m minus 10. Then 10 3 is 30, 6 5 is 30. So 2 3m square minus 6m plus 5m minus 10. So 2 3m is common, m minus 2 plus 5 is common, m minus 2. So factors are 2 bracket m minus 2 and 3m plus 5. These are the factors of D part of question number 3. Now question number 4. So question number 4. Same time we have solved factorize the following. 3x square plus 7x plus 4. So 3 4 ja 12 and 4 plus 3 7. So 3x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 4. X is common, 3x plus 4. Here there is no term is common, plus 1 is common, 3x plus 4. So factors are, this is common in both 3x plus 4 and x plus 1. Next C part, 4y square minus 12y plus 9. 4y square minus 12y plus 9. 9 4 ja 36. 9 4 ja 36. Then factor of 36, that helps 12. So 6 6 ja 36, 6 plus 6 12. So 4y square minus 6y minus 6y plus 9. 2y is common, 2y minus 3 minus 3 is common, 2y minus 3. So factors are 2y minus 3 and 2y minus 3. Next, E part, 8x square minus 14x minus 9. 8x square minus 14x minus 9. 9 into 72. Factor of 72, that becomes 14. 8 minus 72. 12 6 are 72. 18 4 ja 72. 18 minus 4 12. 14. So 8x square minus 18x plus 4x minus 9. Taking common here 2x. So 4x minus 9 plus 2 is common. No, 1 is common, 4x minus 9. So factors are 4x minus 9 is common and 2x plus 1. So these are the factor of E part of this question. Now take the F part, G part, E, F, G. We have solved alternate question. The remaining part of question number 1, 2, 3, 4 you have solved by yourself. If any query, then ask in the workshop class as well as in the maths group. So G part, 2a square minus 5a plus 2. 2a square minus 5a plus 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. And 4 1 ja 4. 4 plus 1 5. So 2a square minus 4a minus a plus 2. Taking 2a is common. So a minus 2 minus 1 is common, a minus 2. So factors are 2a minus 1 and a minus 2. These are factors of G part. Then take the I part, 3m square minus 17m minus 20. 3m square minus 17m minus 20. 23 ja 60, 20 minus 3, 17. So 3m square minus 20m plus 3m minus 20. Taking common m, so 3m minus 20. Taking common 1, 3m minus 20. So factors are m plus 1 and 3m minus 20. Next, K part, 4l square minus 8l plus 3. 4l square minus 8l plus 3. 4 3 are 12 and 6 2 ja 12. So 4l square minus 6l minus 2l plus 3. 4l square square minus 8l plus 3. Taking common 2l minus 3 minus 1 is common, 2l minus 3. The factors are 2l minus 3 and 2l minus 1. This time we have solved exercise 14.2. I hope you have to understand the process of factorization in the form of x square plus bx plus c or in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. When we have ax square plus bx plus c, then we multiply a into c, then factorize and splitting the middle term. Okay, I solve the questions. Remaining part of question number 1, 2, 3, 4 solve by yourself. If you have any query, then ask in the WhatsApp class as well as on Max group. Okay, thank you students.